So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to create pop-ups in your WordPress site without using plugins. Exactly what this says, create pop-ups in WordPress without plugins. There will be a site, this site here, that I'll direct you to. I'll leave a link down in the description for you. You can go there. I'm going to show you how I use this by signing in to an account that created a free account, and I created my first campaign. I'm going to show you how I created it and how it works on your WordPress site. That's today's video. Let's move into, I'm going to show you how to use Popup Smart. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to create pop-ups in your WordPress site without using plugins. Exactly what this says, create pop-ups in WordPress without plugins. There will be a site, this site here, that I'll direct you to. I'll leave a link down in the description for you. You can go there. I'm going to show you how I use this by signing in to an account that created a free account, and I created my first campaign. I'm going to show you how I created it and how it works on your WordPress site. That's today's video. Let's move into showing you how to use Popup Smart, how to create a pop-up without using a WordPress plugin. So in this video today, I'm going to show you how to create pop-ups in your WordPress site without using plugins. Exactly what this says, create pop-ups in WordPress without plugins. There will be a site. I'm going to show you how I use this by signing in to an account that created a free account, and I created my first campaign. I'm going to show you how I created it and how it works on your WordPress site. Let's move into showing you how to use Popup Smart, how to create a pop-up without using a WordPress plugin. Okay, so I created my free Popup Smart account, and next is they want you to install your Popup Smart. So what you're going to do is I'm going to click on this, install for custom website, and then it gives my website, Digital High Road, and custom website is the platform, and then there's a code right here that I'm going to want to copy to my clipboard. Then I'm going over here to my outline for the video, and I just copied and pasted that in, and then they want you to go ahead and verify your website. So next, there was a training video. Watch that real quick, which takes us to our business goals. And what we're going to want to be doing is we're going to just put we're going to say we're going to grow our email list, and they'll give you templates here. Let's see about what works here for our business. Do this one here. It's a simple pop-ins. Okay. So you can have it for a lead magnet, for contact. We wanted to build our email list, so that's what we're doing with our pop-up. So we did that right there. And you can see all the things that this is good for. Campaigns, and then once you set up, then you can get your embed code, which is going to be this here. The rest of the video, I'm going to show you how this is going to get set up on your website. So once I'm in Popup Smart, the site, I go to create my first campaign. Right here, you can look at customize, and there's things down through here. You can change the image, which I did, change this one and this one. You can change the script here and the script here, and a form. If you want to have what the form looks like, you can change that. Now the other thing is notifications and integration is important. What I found though is that the integration handles 13 different integrations, of which mine does not come up on any of this. I use get response. Now if you use any of these, this will work for you, but I would say you definitely want to have a responder hooked up. You have get response, and when I did this, it is not available as a integration. So personally, I would have to open up another account or use the other account for the integration for this for my site. And once you've got this set up, everything you want set up. Now you can get the integration down here, and then right here, sub accounts. This is a free account, which is limited, and they add a website, which is what you want to do. They walk you through the instructions here. We'll tell you exactly how to verify your account. It's pretty simple. Once you get it verified, then you'll want to get hooked up to an integration. Okay, once you have your campaign set up, go here, just click on More, and you can rename, preview, or delete here. You'll want to come back here to your campaigns. So if I click on Settings here, you've got a website set up, which has been verified. And then you want to have integrations, which is right here. And then we'll show you in a second what the pop-up looks like once it's been complete. So your campaign set up, you've got your integration set up. You want to click on the embed code right here. This comes up here. Now you want to take this and copy this. So you can just basically copy to clipboard. And then I'm going to put this on a notepad. And I have it here in front of me. Now, you can go to your WordPress site, and then what you want to do is you want to find Appearance, and then you want Theme File Editor. And then this page is going to come up here. Now, the first thing you want to do before you do this is you want to make sure you have a copy of a backup for your site, because this could cause your site to crash in some way. Usually it won't, but it could cause a problem with the theme you have, or it could cause a problem with a conflict with other plugins you're using on the site. So once you've backed up your site, then you're ready to come in here and do what I just did. Then you want to look down through here, style.ccs, which is where you're going to be. Then you want the header PHP. And that's going to come up here. Now, just before, at the end of the head, right here where the head ends and the body starts, there's a line right here. You want to come in here and you want to paste this script in here. Then you want to update the file. Okay, now once that's been edited and updated file, then you come back to your site here and you want to reload this. Now the pop-up hasn't been on this site, but now it's there. There it is. And if I click on the category that has multiple pages on it, it'll keep popping up. And then you can just, this is what you want. This will disappear if people can click out of this. But you'll get email addresses to use for marketing this way. That's what the pop-up will look like. That's how you put the embed code on your WordPress site. You come in here, go Appearance, Theme File Editor. You'll be at style.css, and then come down to header PHP, and then find between the end of the head and the beginning of the body. And just put this embed code in, update the file, and it's completed. Then you come back to your dashboard. You have your pop-up then. So here, that's the video on how to install a pop-up on your site without using a WordPress plugin. If you got some value from this video today, please give it a like, give it a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and reach over there and tap the bell icon so you get notified every time I publish another video. Thank you for watching today. Take care. God bless.